So today we had a wonderful announcement to welcome our new partners, James Avery.
Well, we are thrilled to be able to open our manufacturing operations here. We've been in the community for a little over almost 20 years now from a retail perspective, both in Corpus, and we recently opened a store in Portland. And now to be able to bring our craft center here to be able to open up and be able to show not only the end product, but the end process. We're thrilled to be opening a new facility here. It's one of our first outside of our headquarters in Kerrville.
This is huge. They're bringing 200 jobs to Corpus Christi. Everything they needed and were looking for, they found right here in Corpus Christi. So this means economic development for our community. It means jobs for 200 people. And so it's a very big deal. It's very significant.
Someone doesn't need to know how to make jewelry when they come in. We'll teach them how to do that. So we're going to have a lot of training. We're going to bring people up in some of the core skills that they need to become James Avery craftsmen. If folks are interested in a job with us, all you need to do is look at jamesavery.com/careers, and all of our active postings are there.
One of my number one focuses has been economic development, as is for the council. So bringing 200 jobs to the City of Corpus Christi through James Avery is a huge reason to celebrate.